Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to analyze PDFs in Claude AI. If you want to analyze a PDF using Claude AI, you can upload the file directly and ask questions about its contents. Claude can help summarize documents, extract key information, identify important points, and answer specific questions based on the PDF. So to start, open Claude and sign into your account, then start a new chat. So click New Chat to begin a conversation with Claude. Now from here, click the paper clip or attachment icon or the plus icon in the bottom left corner. Then from here, select Files and select the PDF file you want to analyze. Then click Open and wait for the upload to finish. So once the PDF is uploaded, you can enter a prompt describing what you want Claude to do. For example, you can say summarize this PDF, analyze this PDF, extract the main findings from this report, list the key action items, explain this document in simple terms, compare sections 2 and 3, or find all dates, names, or statistics mentioned. So let's say extract the main findings from this report, then click Submit. So Claude will analyze the PDF and provide insights based on your request. You can continue asking follow up questions to explore specific sections in more detail. So, tips for better analysis: you can ask specific questions for more accurate results. You can request bullet point summaries for easier reading. You can ask Claude to explain technical terms or complex concepts. And you can break large analysis tasks into smaller questions if the document is lengthy. So, Claude works well for reports, research papers, manuals, contracts, meeting notes, and other text based PDF documents, making it easier to understand large amounts of information quickly. And that's it. Thank you for watching.